your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down. I won't let you down. We'll be singing, girl, put your love on me. I feel it all around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome if you are new. If you are new, hi, my name is Shivana, and this is my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be how to be productive. I totally need this video. I've totally been out of the whole like grind thing recently. I don't know, I need some help, and I kind of came up with these tips because these are things that help me, so I'm hoping that they'll help you guys out also. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first tip that I have is to set some goals. I think it's important to be able to see your goals visually. So what I like to do is I like to write my goals out, or like type them and print it and put it on my wall or put it somewhere in my room where I can see it. I also like to print out like a bucket list and like travel destinations and such like that. So I'm going to put those on my wall. I like to travel, so as you can see I kind of have like maps and different things around my walls that kind of inspire me to go and travel more. Set some goals for yourself. Personally, I have a few goals that I want to hit by the end of the year. Some of those have to do with like hitting 10K on Instagram, for example. I want to hit that. Growing this channel. Goals are definitely an important thing, and I would totally recommend it, and I think I'm going to move on to the next one because I've talked a lot about this, so yes. So the second thing to being more productive is to have a planner, and it might not be a planner for you, it might be like a calendar or something along those lines. You could even use your calendar on your phone or your iPad. Personally, I like to write it out and see it visually, but I like my planner because I use it for school, and then I will like go through it. I like to color code it and make it like fun for me to do, as well as like keeping me productive and knowing what's I need to do and all those types of things. Yes, but using a planner or a calendar can be really helpful in terms of being productive. So if you don't have one, I would totally 100% suggest getting one, or if you're capable of using the one on your phone or computer, that's awesome too. You could also print one out. Lots of options. I would totally recommend though using a planner or a calendar because I think it will help a lot. Okay, so the third one kind of goes along with a planner, and that's to-do lists. I like to write to-do lists because I like to visually, like I said, I am a very visual person, so I like to be able to see what I have to do and be able to like cross them out and like check them off or whatever. And I personally like doing this because I can see what I have to do and what I have already done, and it gives me a sense of accomplishment, if that makes sense. So if I have a lot of things to do, I'll take out like my whiteboard or something and I'll just write out to do. I have to clean my room, I have to edit a video, I have to do homework, whatever it is, and then I just cross them out as I go. So that's really helpful. And another tip along with that is if you have a big to-do list of things that you might really not want to do. Because personally, I sometimes have that where I really don't want to clean and I really don't want to do my homework, so I just kind of lay in a blob and kind of give up. So to kind of solve that, what I like to do is I'll set like a 20-minute timer, and I'll spend 20 minutes full on cleaning my room. And then after that 20-minute timer goes off, I'll set a 5-minute timer around that and take some time to like go on my phone or take a break, go get food or something like that. And then I'll come back and I'll set another 20-minute timer to do homework, and I'll kind of go back and forth until I have both things done. So you can kind of do this with multiple things. You can adjust the time to where you want it to be, and I think this is super helpful, so try it out. So the next thing is to keep your room or your like space or whatever it is clean, and I would say this 100% because when my room is a mess, or my car is a mess, or anything in my life is a mess, it kind of weighs on me a little bit, and I can't focus on anything because what I keep thinking is my room's a mess. Oh my gosh, my room's a mess. I'm gonna be like, I can't do this. I need to clean up. So keeping your space clean is really helpful, and something that you can do is before you go to bed every night is just tidy up your room a little bit, make sure everything's back where it goes, and then you'll wake up to a clean room. And if you do this every night, it won't get close to bad at all. It will pretty much stay clean all the time. So I think this is really helpful, but you've got to keep up with it. So try that out and see how it goes. And last but not least, take some time to relax, reflect on your days and your time and all those things. And maybe take a bath, or I don't know what it is that you like to do to relax. But if you do like baths, I actually have an Etsy shop where I sell bath bombs, and these are 2 of them. This is a new one for Valentine's Day. It's my Heart of Roses bath bomb. It smells like roses, shaped like a heart. It's so cute. This one is a lavender bath fizzy, and it smells like lavender, so it's super relaxing. It's cute, it's purple, it turns your bath water purple, and these are fun. And then, so these are super fun. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have the link down below. I would totally 100% appreciate anyone who wants to check it out. Maybe follow the account on Instagram. I put a lot of work into it. They're all handmade. I make them all, so a lot of love goes into those products. So if you guys like to check it out, I'll have the link down below. So that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. If this video helps you in any way, that means the world to me. And if you guys have any video requests that you guys want to see, leave them in the comments down below and maybe I'll make that video. Oh, and I owe you guys a giveaway winner, so I'm going to put the giveaway winner's name on the screen right here. Congratulations to them, and I will be messaging you and sending you your products very soon. I will most likely message you on Instagram if you left your Instagram in the original comment bar. If not, I will probably email you, so make sure you are looking at those things. Yeah, so congratulations. And to anybody else who entered, thank you for entering. Make sure you stay subscribed because I will do more giveaways in the future. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you guys want to follow me on social media, I'll have it all linked down below and on the screen somewhere. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!
To what I was saying, could be us.